Alright guys, check this out. You're looking at a custom fitted teeth grill that we just had done for a customer. This one here is 10K gold. It's real gold. It's not gold plated, solid gold. Here's the back side. It just snaps right on the teeth there. Okay. You got your stamp, 10K stamp there in the back. All right, now these are what they call we call permanent cut. As you can see these lines in between each tooth right there. You see these are cut on the front, so it gives that nice definition. Permanent cuts. Okay, so it gives it the makes it look more of an individualized teeth rather than just like a solid, straight across grill. This one here has a lot more character definition to it. Makes it really pop out and stand out from the other type of grills. Okay, now this is available on our website, blingcartel.com. Here, I'll show you the back side so you can understand permanent cuts. On the back side, there is no cut. See, there's no cuts here in the back. It's only on the front. And that's only for the purposes of giving it that nice style. Okay, it's still a one-piece grill when you take it off. All right, you can get this for the top or the bottom or a set, up to you. Check us out, blingcartel.com, custom grills, handmade, quality work. Thanks for watching. As always, y'all have a good one.